salun Tratti Buzun ay Tratti Buzun Hut mut panas as un khur Tratti Buzun ay Tratti Buzun Tratti Buzun
Hello. Today we will learn Kashmiri by watching a famous Kashmiri TV serial called as Tratti Buzun.
बस मैं नहीं था मैं मन से आका साफ जगह से खानदार करूं
देखो पागल कस करने नहीं है मैं सचिन कस कर
मलाल में गई नहीं बोझ वजह क्या ये चोन बोझ ना ये तुल चपरस एम क्या भी गाम गाम कांपनोम बस तमिस पान खोचान बस दपान अमिस गसन पता लगिन
क्या अमिस खोचान सह बुथ त्रकुर मगर दिल से सख नरम
नरम अम सद खर नश रचिन खुदाय शार कोर ओतर गव ऐसे पता हे तमे खो तुल पन वथर अद अम त्रोस पान अलोंद तो लोट उन्नस मुल कड़ित तो पत ब्यूठस तमे लट से चोब दिन
खदर लूंगा बना रे
यार
Pose ha won my. It means I told you the truth. Pose is truth.
बस मैं नहीं था
मैं मन से आका साफ
अच्छा फूलै मे वन च वाइन अख कथ साफ. Okay, Fula, you tell me now one message or story clearly. Me means me, one means tell, ts means you, wine means now, ak means one, kath means story, saaf means clearly.
जगह से खानदार करूं
Cheka su chui khandar karun. Who do you want to marry with? Che means you. Ka su chui means whom do you want to. Khandar karun means marry with.
देखो पागल कस करने
Beautk pagal kath karne. It means have you started to talk rubbish? Pagal kath means stupid talks or rubbish. Karne means started. Beautk here denotes have you. Have you started to talk rubbish?
नहीं है मैं सचिन कस कर
Near me sut özjını kath karan. It means go away, don't talk to me again. Near means go, me sut means with me, özjını means don't. Go, don't talk to me again.
मलाल में गई नहीं बोझ वजह क्या
Malal mı gachnai, boz wajah kya chu. Malal mı gachnai means don't be upset. Boz wajah kya chu means listen. Why do I ask the reason?
ये चोन बोझ ना ये तुल चपरस
Yus ye chon boy chuna tulye chaparas. In this case, he is referring to the brother of the girl, and he means a lowly person.
एम क्या भी गाम गाम कांपनोम
क्या बी छु गाम गाम कंपनोमुत. He has created a fear in the whole village. क्या बी. He has छु gam gam created for the whole village kampnomut fear. Now these words are not to be translated literally, because when you are using these words in a sentence, they are taking a shape in an alternative way rather than individual meanings. क्या भी छु gam gam kampnomut means he has created some sort of fear in the whole village.
मुझ तमिस पान खोचान
Buchus tamis pan khotsan. Buchus means I am. Tamis means him. Pan means myself. Khotsan means afraid. However, when you use these words in a sentence, it means I am myself afraid of him. Buchus tamis pan khotsan. I am myself afraid of him.
बहुत दफान अमिस गसन पता लगे
Buchus dapan amis gachna pata lagin. Buchus means I am. Dapan means saying. Amis gachna means he should not. Pata lagin, get to know. Amis gachna pata lagin, he should not know. Buchus dapan amis gachna pata lagin means I am saying that he should not get to know.
ژٕ کیٛازِ چھُکھ أمِس کھوژان
Ts kaze chuk amis khotsan. It means why are you afraid of him? Ts kaze, why are you chuk amis khotsan, afraid of him? Why are you afraid of him? Ts kaze chuk amis khotsan.
سُہ حظ چھُ بُتھِ ترٛکُر
Suha chu buth trakur. It means on the face he is rude. Suha chu, he is. Buth trakur means on the face he is rude. Rude on the face is buth trakur. Suha chu buth trakur, which might also mean that externally he seems to be rude.
مگر دِل حظ چھُ سُہ سخ نرم
Magar dilha chuisu sak naram. But he is very soft from inside. Magar means but. Dilha means from heart. Chuisu means he is. Sak naram means very soft.
नरम अम सद खर नश रचिन खुदाई
Naram chu. Amsinde khara nish rachin khodai. Naram chu means he is soft. Amsinde khara nish rachin khodai means may God save from his wrath. May God save from his wrath. Amsinde khara nish. Amsinde means from his. Khara nish means his wrath. Rachan khodai means save God. May God save from his wrath.
शार कोरन उतर गव चे पता हे तमे खयो तुल पान बथर आख
Shahar korun utr gab chichaye pata. Hey tem hey kheo tulya panvathar ak. It means that he made someone disappear recently. And are you aware that the poor guy that he made to disappear only ate a leaf from a mulberry tree? Tul is mulberry, and the notion of eating a leaf from a mulberry tree means that he simply ate only a few fruits from the mulberry tree.
Ade, trovus pan alond, ter loti unnas mulakad.
Ad aim trovus pan alvund te loti onnas mulakadit. Ad aim trovus pan alvund means and he hung his body and uprooted his tail completely.
The pad beautus thank you light se chob dile.
Pata beautus tami laitesud chob dinye. Pata beautus tami laitesud chob dinye. And then he started to hit him with that uprooted tail only. Which means that he first hit him so hard and uprooted his tail and then used that tail to hit him even more.
Yuspa, Yuspa kadir longa. Banyare.
So he says, Yusfa kadir longha bahanere, which means that she has seen Kadir, who is a limp, and she needs to leave now because apparently Kadir knows her and she does not want her family to know that she was loitering around with Yusuf.
Near.
Near means go.
हिट गई सरसी रब तई सब पोज ये मिवन तस वो लुख दब
Yetigai Sersi Rab te sob, pos yem won tas voluk dab. Yetigai Sersi Rab te sob means everything here has been turned into mud or something waste. One who says truth is brought down. Pos yem won tas voluk dab. One who says truth has been brought down.
आयो होत ये जुवन पान सालन रट बुजुन
Kalyav hyot vain yete pan zalun trattabuzun tai trattabuzun, which means dumb people have started to immolate themselves. What a destruction because of thunders! What a destruction because of thunders! In other words, Trattabuzun also means unfortunate ills.
रट बुजुन हट मुट पान अस उन खुर रट
Huttamutta panas ase vain on khur. Trattabuzun tai trattabuzun. Huttamutta means unnecessarily. Panas vain ase on khur. We brought misfortune to ourselves. Trattabuzun tai trattabuzun. Destruction through thunders and destruction through thunders. Unnecessarily, we brought misfortune for ourselves. What a pity and unfortunate. What a pity and unfortunate.
बुजुन तई रट बुजुन
Tratti Buzun.
Yikushu, who is he? Yichu Kadir Long. Yemis Kazchu Long Rats. Why is his nickname the limp? Kyaziki yichu lung, because he has a limp. What is this called? Yath kya chubanan? Yigai trat, lightning. To get roasted by lightning is Tratti Buzun. Mulberry. Mulberry is tuil. These are leaves. Leaves in Kashmiri are panvathar. Ye kya chukaran? What is he doing? Yichu humis chov divan. He is beating him. Thank you for watching TV serials in the Kashmiri language in Learn Kashmiri with Arihan. Please subscribe, like and share, and stay tuned for our next videos. Bye bye.